Hi, Dr. Stiles here, and today what I want to show you is what an adjustment is like, and we have a patient here, Kristen, who is going to be our model today. So I'm going to have Kristen lay down on her stomach. And all we're going to do is, I feel her back and I feel the vertebrae, and from previous exam and x-rays, we've determined if she's subluxated. And if you don't know what that term means, you can look at one of our other videos, which means that the vertebrae is out of alignment and it's putting pressure and interference on the nerve. So the slang term would be pinched nerve, but the real term is subluxation. So we're searching for those subluxations, and when we find one, I just gently push on her spine and make the adjustment. And sometimes you'll hear a popping or cracking noise because we have gases and fluids in our joints, and when they move quickly in and out of the tissue, it's a noise that's just made, very much like if you cracked your knuckles or bent down and heard your knees pop. So to adjust her lower back, we're going to have her lay on her side. So lay on your side, honey. And it's very, very gentle, the pressure. And so we just have her bend up her leg, and she just puts her arm back, and then we just rotate her hip forward. And again, do the same thing, put a little push. Now we're going to have her do the other side. And the same thing, we're just going to let her hip come towards, and we'll follow through with a little tiny push, okay? And now we're going to adjust her neck, and I know a lot of people have fear about having their necks adjusted. They think of the karate movies where people are killed. But it's very, very gentle, the force we put in there. And again, searching for the subluxations, and I already know her spine well, and so we're just going to put a little gentle turn and a little push. And the same going the other way to get to the other one. And there you go. There you've seen an adjustment. And how was that, Kristen?
It was good.
Yeah. And how was the pressure on that? So people want to know, because most people are afraid when they go to a chiropractor that it's real rough.
No, I would say it's subtle, and you don't even really know what's coming until the cracks, and then there's no pain or anything involved. It's just like a subtle crack.
There you go. Hope this is helpful for you guys, and thanks again for watching.